Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We're going to go through this palette today. It looks glorious. Now, I know a bunch of you have been asking about the cat pet houses. I see some on here. So I'm really excited about that. Those will be listed on hookedonpickin.com. You can go straight to hookedonpickin.com to find most of these things or our Monday fire sale that we'll be having. So we're going to go ahead and get in and see how long it takes us to get through all this. I see some vacuums. I see some water mist humidifiers. So I'm super excited. And of course, we're always looking for that health and beauty stuff because it's amazing. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so we have spent $2,300, almost $2,400 on 3 pallets. And so we've already gone through 1 pallet. This pallet and that pallet are the next 2 in that load. And then we also have a pallet back there that we bought separately for a different dollar amount that has jewelry and luggage. And then we still actually, believe it or not, have about half of a pallet of shoes left that we still have yet to do. So let's go ahead and unbox these. We're going to see all what we get. Just going to pull just the top off right now because I don't want to cause an avalanche. Like I said, I know we have some cat pet houses which you guys have been asking for.
See how they taped it?
Yeah.
Yep.
We're going to cut the tape. There we go. These actually stayed in fairly good condition. I was really pleased. All right, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to pull, actually I'm just going to open boxes and then I'll try to take it over to the so first off, here is that. So it's a cat hide and eek boutique. So it's a candy shop for cats.
Yep.
So we've got one of those, and then we'll go ahead and open this box. Looks like it's got other boxes inside. Not sure what's in here.
Brand new, whatever it is.
Yeah, it's all the same thing.
You get a little squished on the side.
Yeah, this is a little bit squished. Oh, it's another cat scratcher, but this one is a surf shop. That's cool.
Look at that.
I like it.
We've been doing half off on these.
So these are $20, so we'll be probably posting these on Hooked on Pickin for $9.99.
Yeah.
So we've been doing about half price of what the normal price is.
Yep.
So it looks like all of them are the same inside this box. So
on the fire sale, they went immediately.
Oh yeah, they went right away. So we're actually going to put them on hookedonpickin.com so you can go and find them there. So we have the hide and eek cat scratcher, the candy shop one.
We also have shoes right there.
We have tons of shoes, so please go buy some shoes. They're into the clothing category. So here's another candy shop. So we have the surf shop, we have the candy shop. What else we got in there? You peeking inside there?
I think
Paul,
that's HBA, I think.
calm down, you can't get in there yet. Paul. He likes to peek ahead of time. All right, what else we got? Candy shop. Yep, more candy shop. And I bet this one's a candy shop too. It says 4 cats only on it. Okay, this one is taped. Hold on. Because it was on the edge of the... Another candy shop. Nice. All right, so I think that's all our cat scratchers. All right, what else we got? Whoa, those are nice. Okay, first off, we've got these. I got to unbury the vacuum. Warm mist humidifiers, the Vixx ones.
We've got this stuff on the
We
store.
do have the Vixx Vapo Steam on the store too. So we've got one. Okay, this one's taped.
Yeah, they do a weird tape all around.
Well, probably so that the pallet doesn't topple
Yeah.
and ship on your mess, but it's a little bit annoying,
It is.
but not too terrible. All right, so we have 2 so far. That's all I see of the warm Vixx warm mist humidifiers. What else do you see over there? Is that really a Roomba? Okay.
Flip it on the other side.
This is
Look
basically
at
a generic
that.
Roomba. So someone's been bugging me about these forever. And so this is a vacuum robot.
Yeah.
It's just a different brand.
I wonder if it's been opened or not.
No, that's still sealed. Maybe did somebody do this though?
That's what I think they
Yeah,
did.
okay.
Try to see if you can open it and see if it's anything.
See if it's all discombobulated or been used. Hold on.
Ooh,
It looks brand new to me.
it's really good. I don't think it's been out of its package.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, because the brushes are still clean.
Yeah.
I think this is brand new.
Sometimes you can check with the cord if the cord is still wrapped.
Yeah, that's still wrapped.
Yeah, I think it's
brand new.
Here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
D-Bot Roomba vacuum. I guess it's not a Roomba because I guess Roomba is the name brand, but
yeah.
Nice. All right. Well, we were looking for one. We knew we had a pallet that had some Roombas. Was this the only one that was supposed to be out here?
I don't know.
We're supposed to have more.
I really don't know.
I can't
remember. It's been so long.
Yeah. By the time we order it and look at the manifest and then actually receive the product, sometimes it takes a while. All right, this one, look at that. Turbo lightweight upright vacuum. How beautiful is that?
Yeah, this was just on clearance. This was never open. They probably just clearanced this one out.
Nice. It says originally $80.
Yeah, it even has, but it does have like the box has been pushed in a little bit.
My guess is it's still fine.
That might have been what they wanted gone from the store because of that.
Big stuff on this pallet.
I think these are HBA on the bottom.
Oh, that would be awesome if these were HBA. All right.
They're going to be taped, Heather.
I know. Oh, okay. There. Came off just fine. So here is a mop and bucket. There we go.
What is that one?
This one is a Shark Rocket. Okay, so it can be a floor vacuum or it can act like a dust buster. Can you tell that?
Yeah.
Here's some good pictures too.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Really cool.
And it looks like it's fairly lightweight because the little canister is where you hold it. You know what I mean? So you can reach it up and get those cobwebs. Boy, I need something like that. Cool. So we got a couple of vacuums. Well, 3 vacuums if you include the Roomba style.
Nice.
Nice. Now you've probably been noticing there's these green salvage stickers on some things. Like this. This just means Target doesn't want anymore. It does not mean it's salvage as in broken.
Right.
So, all right. Shall I grab this one off?
This is in like new condition.
Yes.
So usually that means it is it's out of its package sometimes or not case packed.
Yeah.
Although we do get some.
Okay, ready? Oh my goodness.
All right.
I almost dropped that. It was a lot heavier than I anticipated. Well, I can see why it was heavy. Is it seriously all the way down to the bottom with germ, alcohol, disinfecting, sanitizing, wipes?
Yep. Sure looks like it. Ooh,
there's bigger ones.
Canisters in the bottom.
Let me look at the bottom.
Signs of the time.
Yeah.
Remember when everybody was trying to make hand sanitizer there for a while? Ooh, whoa, what is this?
Natural cleaning wipes for hard surfaces.
It's a different kind.
Eucalyptus scent. This is actually good because, like, okay, so my mother-in-law can't be around citrus scents. Yeah. And all the cleaners are lemon or orange. So this would be one that I could use in my house when she's here.
Looks like it's all of that stuff.
Yeah, this is on the bottom, like the second row, and then all of this is on the top.
Move those off to the side. Let's see if there's...
Okay.
Yeah, or rebuild it probably.
Yeah, so that it doesn't, I don't cause a crazy avalanche. Okay, hold on one sec. I'm just going to move these.
These can be a little hard to move lately, though. So, we'll have to price them right.
Yep, we'll price them right. All right, so that's this entire box. That was underwhelming, so we're going to find a more interesting box. All right, which one do you want to do? Oh, what's first off?
Yeah, what is that?
Should I get this out?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the pallet.
It's gonna be really heavy, Heather.
Hold on. I'm gonna use my muscles.
Oh boy.
Okay, ready?
It's a
3-wheel pet stroller.
It's a pet stroller.
It's a pet stroller for dogs and cats up to 33 pounds.
Look at that.
Sometimes I'm a little toy dog and cat breeds.
Yeah.
They're your babies.
Yeah.
It's a pet stroller. That is really cool. We'll probably scan it.
Pet stroller would even go for.
Well, and it's got these little windows and stuff that they can look out. So we'll scan it. We'll find out. We'll make sure it's got a removable pet pad so that you can wash it after the fact and stuff. But we'll find out how much it's worth. and then go from there. That's really cool. I like that. All right.
Which one are you thinking?
All right, let's go ahead and open this one. We're going to save those other 3 because the health and beauty usually takes forever. We'll save those other 3 for next time. And if those don't have much in it, we can always move on to the next pallet. But, all right. Okay, what are these? Disposable face shields.
Yep, more PPE.
Yeah.
Face shields.
What is that? Yeah, another face shield. I just feel like I should...
Direct splash protection. Boom.
Boom. That's what they look like.
You were safe.
I am safe. All right, so we got face shields. What
These
are those?
are clever. Touch-free tool. You don't touch handles, doorknobs.
Oh, easy to clean, ergonomic.
Even works with most touch screens. That's clever.
That is cool. So there's a bunch of these. Let me grab a little box, and I'm going to pile those in a little box.
Somebody was a genius.
They were a genius. Should we scan those and see how much we want to, see how much they're worth? Just because we have so many of them? Or do you want to just price at the end?
I'm up for whatever you want to do.
All right, we're going to collect all these real fast.
This stuff too,
Ooh, dish soap.
Dish soap.
So FYI, sometimes we'll donate this kind of stuff and dish soap to our local food pantry because people think food for food pantry, but they don't think cleaning supplies. To be honest, if you've been to the store recently, that's where you spend probably the majority of your money is on those kinds of items. Good night. I think I got too small of a box.
Yeah, you did.
All right, well. Oh, wait.
The jade roller.
Those sell really good.
Yeah, we've been selling these for $5.
They're like a facial roller and small muscle roller, you know, so you can use them on anything. Good night. Look how many of these there are in there.
So if they're $100 a piece.
$100 a piece.
One of these days it's going to happen.
Oh, hey, what's this?
Up, $100 a piece.
What's it say?
Castor oil.
Is it really castor oil? That's cool.
Kind of lotion.
Okay. I don't know if there's anything other than just the sanitizing wipes underneath this.
You got these little things on the side.
Yeah, so that's why I'm... Ooh, I see another bottle of something.
There might be some stuff underneath this.
Okay, that's why we're going to kind of dig to the bottom here. Okay, so we've got these. I'm just going to stack them back here. Looks like we got some more Palmolive.
Dish soap.
Yeah, dish soap. More of these.
Be careful, that stuff that can
More dish soap. I'm shocking because this was right on the corner of the pallet,
yeah.
And it's totally fine, even the little plastic cap.
Yeah.
So they did a good job shipping these.
They really did.
And like we have the castor oil lotion. Trying to look. Okay, all the way down to the bottom here, I see
will never run out of hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer wipes all the way down.
Dish soap or somewhere down there too.
Yes, we got another Palmolive here. And I think that's it for this corner. I'm just trying to kind of check the corners. Oh, see, these are even sealed.
Yep. This is what?
So
75% alcohol wipes. So maybe they're a little bit less of a hard on your body, that kind of thing. If you use them.
Another jade roller.
Another jade roller.
These are selling really well. Oh, here's another one of these too.
Yeah.
Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. That's what it is. Okay, I think I might have gotten all these little keychains.
It's like an entire pallet of, well, the vacuums and stuff. I don't think they were
nice. Yeah. I really hope these keychains are worth a lot of money.
I'm hoping
and
these are worth a lot of money.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess these are going for maybe $2 though.
That's okay. We'll sell them for that.
Yeah.
Buy 100 of them. You can't get them cheaper than that. All right, I'm looking, and I think yes, they're
all the way to the bottom.
All the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So that explains that. Would you like to open another one, or should we just be done and price everything?
Oh, let's price it.
We're going to go ahead and price everything, let you know what everything is worth, and then we'll put it on hookedonpickin.com, and then we're going to finish the rest of these, hoping that These will have more variety of health and beauty stuff. We've gotten an awesome amount of health and beauty stuff, so I guarantee we'll be able to find some more. All right, we've got everything on hookedonpickin.com, so check out all the new items. We have a ton of new stuff in Fun Finds, so if you've not been in Fun Finds recently, we have a ton of new books there, and then also in our toys category, we have a ton of new books there as well. So check out all of the fun things that we have just added to the store. But what are the new things that you just saw us unbox? Here they are. We have the Treat Boutique Candy Shop Cat Scratcher Hide and Eek Boutique. We have that at $12.49. Then we have the Surf Shop 2-story cat scratch house for $9.99. Super fun. Then we have the Black & Decker upright vacuum cleaner, $49.99, which is literally half off of what you can normally buy it for, but perfect for any home situation. Then we have the Shark Ultra Light Corded Stick Vacuum. The canister is right here, so easy to hold. You can basically use it like a dust buster or have the long arm wand or have a vacuum. So it's a very multi-purpose, $99.99 for that Shark vacuum. Then we have the EvoVax D-Boop. Basically, it's like a Roomba, charging vacuum cleaner with app. You use your phone to be able to set it up, and really, really easy. Very similar to the Roomba, so $99.99 for that guy. Then we have the Vixx Warm Moisture Humidifier, white and blue, $19.99. We only have a couple of these, so make sure you snatch them up. Then we have the fun stroller for your pet, so it can be for a cat or a dog. Really nice, lightweight. It is this rose, kind of rose wine color, and perfect for your little pet to go for a walk. $49.99 for that nice stroller, brand new condition. Then we have these touch-free tools. $1.99 is all we're asking. We have a whole bunch of them. So if you want to give out a bunch for Christmas or for gifts or just for fun, the Spa Room touch-free germ avoidance, it can actually be used for touchscreen as well. Easy to clean, easy to carry, ergonomic design, made of brass. Then we have our face shields. We only are selling them in a 10-count pack, so you can buy the whole 10 count for $10. So you get basically one face shield per every dollar you spend. So $10 there, and it shows all the sizes and details about them. Then we have the carry-on 75% alcohol sanitizing wipe canister. It's an 80-count kitchen wipes, $2.49. We have tons of these available, so if you'd like to buy multiples, this is a really, really discounted price. So throw these onto your cart. Make sure you also peruse the rest of the store, and maybe you can even get that free shipping for $100. Of purchases. Then this is a really nice non-citrus. This is a eucalyptus scent for these, and it's got 150 count, so double the size of the other cleansing wipes. $4.99 for those, and so we have quite a few of those in stock as well, so snatch those up while we have them in stock. So go to hookedonpickin.com, check out all the new things we have on the store, and of course remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.